shines brighter in the darkness, and shadows grow deeper as the light grows stronger. When light and darkness come together, they reveal their true essence. Reason and instinct, softness and intensity, serenity and madness. Two opposites collide into one, destined to redefine the paradigm of high-performance electric driving. Introducing Ioniq 6N. When passionate tension meets intuitive balance, driving pleasure reaches an entirely new level. Ioniq 6N's re-engineered chassis features next-generation suspension geometry, enhancing road holding and handling performance. Stroke-sensing ECS dampers provide greater range between performance and comfort, set up to be ready and prepared for any driving moment. Pirelli P0 tires, exclusively set up for Ioniq 6N, offers optimum balance between high-speed stability and agile cornering. Ioniq 6N lets you fully immerse yourself in the drive. The upgraded sound system transforms your mood from everyday driving to an explosive roar of a high-performance emotion whenever you desire. The motorsport-inspired close gear ratio delivers a visceral shift feel. Powerful 0.6G regen brake ensures high brake endurance with fade resistance. N pedal utilizes strong regen to tuck in quickly into corners. The sophisticated blend between regen and hydraulic brake force is seamless and dependable. Ioniq 6N's attention to airflow balances low drag and downforce, resulting in a stunning design that offers greater high-speed stability. Paradigm redefining performance is much more than sheer power. It's about having full control over every ounce of performance. It's about capturing technology and emotion in perfect balance. Ioniq 6N isn't just a car. It represents a legacy of 10 years of pure passion, carried by Hyundai N. Because at N, driving still matters. Ioniq 6N.